Okay, it's bath time for Chloe and Chewy. Because I was talking about the other day, I was talking about how much they smelled, stinky puppies. So we're gonna try to remedy that here today. And they love the water, so they should have no problem with this. Oh, she likes that, right? Good girl. Chewy to the right, patiently waiting.
Look at her face.
Why is your nose in the air, Chewy?
She don't want camera. Stand up, baby. Stand up.
You don't like oh, she don't like cameras. And then Chloe's getting scrubbed down. Looking good, girl. Chewy, you hiding back there?
What are you doing, man? Chewy, just stay here, baby.
Chloe's getting nice and clean, aren't you, girl? What do you think about that, Chewy? Huh? What do you think, girl?
No longer smelly, Daddy, as you said. Chloe.
Looking better already, Chloe. Chewy, you're up next, girl. She's hiding.
You don't want camera.
Yeah. What are you doing down there? Huh? Say hello, Chewy. There you go. She's shy.
It's a camera shy.
Oh, look at you. You look so pretty, Chewy. Look at you. Oh, yeah. You got a booger on your nose? Oh, no, it's gone. It was soap, I think. Oh, you're so good looking there, girl. You look so clean. I can smell your shampoo, too. Yeah. Good girl. Okay, be careful. The floor's wet. You like that? Uh-huh. Yeah. Hey, get down from there. You know how many times I've yelled at you for that? Get down. Get down. I have to come over there and get you down, don't I? Next up is Kimchi. Looking good, girl. Looking good.
Her body's so hot.
Is she hot?
Mm-hmm.
Good girl. What do you say, Kimchi? What do you say, girl?
Yay.
Good girl. finished.
2 years ago.
There we go. Last but not least, we got the queen of the house.
She's the queen, not the mommy.
She's the Doña puppy. Alright? Aren't ya? Yeah.
They all love to play water.
Jam should be the easiest. She has the shortest hair.
And she's not that dirty like the other.
No, she's really clean. She's even when she hasn't had a bath in a long time, she still feels
Smells
very
good.
soft and smells good. Good hygiene, good diet. Right, Jam? Right, girl? Looking good, Jam. Hey! Hey! What you doing? Psst. Hey!
Up here, Jam. Up here, baby.
So much happiness in one Kubo. Alright, look at you guys. Kipsy! Kipsy! Hey! Psst. Bath time is over. And so is this battery. Enough for today. Thanks for watching.